Separate administration Pidriba Fauba Kuki Zo Singi Mofam the Free Movement Leihalloi Haina Kuki Khulai Paiba volunteers sing na Fondorle. Video clip amada Masana Masabo, village volunteer ni Haiva Adubo, Mapale Vakta Sab Apaba Makalge, assault rifle sing Pairaga Fondorkiba Wafam da Kuki Zo Singi Matakta Satariba Minai Kiasi Kangi. Separate administration Haibasi Kuki Zo Singi political aspiration Kaktanate, Dimanasimak Yamna Maruiba Amani. Separate administration Pidana Free Movement Yabangam no Emadi Kuki Zo Sina Laizaba Pambai Seasonaduna Free Movement Asi Tingani Hairi.
There will be no free movement in Kuki-Zo areas before the establishment of separate administration or union territory with a legislature for the Kuki-Zo people. The relentless injustice, inhuman atrocities, and systematic oppression committed against our people cannot be ignored or brushed aside under the pretense of peaceful marches. Those who have inflicted sufferings on the Kuki-Zo people, those who have taken innocent lives, and those who continue to deny our fundamental rights will not be allowed free passage into our lands. Our demand and separate administration is not just a political aspiration, but a necessity for our survival, security, and dignity.